Callie and Ari's Winter Baking Special. I'm Ari.
And I'm Callie, and today we'll be making homemade chocolate chip cookies and homemade hot chocolate.
Here's what you'll need for the chocolate chip cookies.
You will need butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, and an egg.
For dry ingredients, you will need all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chip.
So next you will need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees.
The first step is to put 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla,
and 1 egg to the mix and stir until combined. Secondly, stir in 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 12 ounces or 2 cups of chocolate chips.
Once you have made your dough, grab a cookie sheet and scoop dough onto the cookie sheet.
So once you have put your cookies into the oven, set a timer for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cookies look golden brown.
While your cookies are baking in the oven, you can get started on your hot chocolate.
For the hot chocolate, you will need sugar, confectioner's sugar, and cocoa powder.
Also need milk, but that's for later.
The first thing you are going to do is sift 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of vanilla sugar, 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch.
So this instant hot chocolate powder is perfect for any time. The things that you'll need will be a saucepan and 1 cup of milk.
Pour the milk into the saucepan and wait for the milk to come to a simmer. Do not let the milk boil, just a simmer.
What to do is add 2 tablespoons of the mix into the simmering milk. Then stir the mixture for 1 minute. After stirring for a minute, pour into a mug and your hot chocolate is all done.
So lastly, you can add marshmallows or whipped cream to your hot chocolate.
When your cookies are finished, just take them out of the oven to cool.
After the cookies have cooled for a little bit, transfer them to a cooling rack so they can finish up cooling.
Now that you're all done with your recipes, you can enjoy all of your desserts.
We hope you enjoyed this winter baking special, and we hope you enjoy your winter treats.
See you next time on Callie and Ari's Baking Special.